Welcome to Happyhaves Aromatherapy, where our purpose is to increase feelings of calm, inner peace, and well-being to help you achieve more mindful moments throughout your day. This video is going to show you how to use your Happyhaves Full Moon. Why are over 30,000 happy customers loving it? This 2-in-1 diffuser lamp is specifically designed to bring the full moon to you. It's a special 3D design printed to replicate the exact surface of the moon and its magic, all created from eco-friendly materials to put your mind and body at ease. We're positive it will uplift your spirit, enhance your well-being, and help you to feel more grounded during the day. In just a few simple steps, you can experience all it has to offer. Start by removing the lid of the full moon. Fill the water tank with up to 1 liter of water and add 4 to 7 drops of your chosen essential oil. For your first use, ensure the cotton swab stick is fully immersed in the water so it can diffuse cordless for several hours. Secure the top lid back on the full moon and make sure it fits tight. Plug the USB cable into the moon and allow it to charge for 2 hours. To activate the diffuser, simply tap on the left spike button and enjoy the power of nature right in your home. Tap once or twice to switch between intermittent and continuous mist. Tap on the other spike button to switch between 3 calming lights: soft white, warm white, and yellow. Hold the button to dim the lights to suit your mood. Finally, set up the wooden stand and you're ready to go. Find a cozy space for your moon and enjoy this perfect gift for your body, mind, and soul. And thanks to the cordless function, you can now bring your moon with you wherever you go. It's the perfect companion to add an extra dimension to your yoga or meditation practice, or to bring more positive energy into your home.